Zupal! Tatatutan, ang mahiwagang Galicolomba Luzonica.
Uy, hala, may ibon doon. Pagtara natin. Nasugatan na ata, tara. Ay, hindi naman pala siya gubo. Alam mo ba, ang ibon na yan ay ang Luzon Living Heart. So, tawag na nga po tayo sa Tagalog. Nakuha nila ang kanilang pangalan mula sa bright thread sa kanilang puting dibdib.
Did you know, when they forage for food, they resemble a chicken? Thus, their scientific name, Galing means chicken, and Columba means dove.
Another fact about these birds helps ensure the success of forests through seed dispersal. Note that seed dispersal means to spread around. It is a process of moving one seed to another.
And another fact, sa zoo, madalas na nakakamalan nila na sugat ang pulang marka nila sa dibdib. And now, let's define what is Luzon bleeding heart. It is one of the several ground-up species known as bleeding hearts. Its scientific name is Galicolomba luzonica. Paloma depunalada or stag pigeon is another name for it. The Luzon bleeding heart has the most prominent blood puncture with a scarlet tail reaching down the belly, giving the impression that blood has run down the bird's breast.
Now that we're done with the definition of Luzon bleeding hearts, let's go ahead and talk about their habitats. The Luzon bleeding hearts is only found on the Philippine island of Luzon, and where it's known as locally as Punalala. It can be found at an altitude ranging from 1,400 meters above sea level to primary and secondary forests. These eastern are part of the Philippine archipelago, one of the world's most important eastern groups.
Now, let's talk about their diet and nutrition. These species are omnivorous. In the wild, they primarily eat seeds, berries that have fallen, and a range of insects and worms. And when in captivity, their food may include oilseeds, cheese, and vegetables for extra nutrition for a breeding pair. Therefore, we conclude that these birds are important. They contribute significantly to biodiversity and local ecology. The islands of Luzon and Polillo are home to many rare and endemic species and are considered one of the world's top 5 biodiversity hotspots. Watersheds, for example, protect against soil erosion and landslides. Galicolomba luzonica and its habitat are essential for ecotourism and the preservation of the island's biodiversity. These birds are also hunted for food and as pets.
Ganun po ba? Ngayon ko lang po nalaman na may ganun po palang ibon. Salamat po.
Tutututan, ang mahiwagang Zipinrokila latencies.
Come along with us as we discover about the critically endangered turtle species that will be found in Palawan, Philippines, the Cyberrachila latensis. Cyberrachila latensis is one of the most enigmatic species of freshwater turtles in Southeast Asia. It was assessed as critically endangered in 2000 and has been considered as one of the world's top 25 most endangered turtles since 2003. There is a little known about this lifestyle of Philippine forest turtle because they are so rare and have only recently been discovered. Adults in captivity showed them to be extremely shy, hiding under rocks, both in and out of the water, began to forage for food in the early morning and late at night. And they roamed around at night. They were not observed to be keen on basking in sun, but this may have been the result of being in a captive environment. According to the observations, Philippine
forest turtle are omnivores who like water plants and have been seen hunting tiny fish and crustaceans. Figs are a common food source for Philippine forest turtle in the wild.
The species is the largest and heaviest geoarmigid turtle known from the Philippines, attaining a carapace length of more than 200 meters and weighing as much as 3.5 kilograms. Its plastron is reddish brown to black in color, usually with yellow spots.
In mating, females of this species lay up to 5 eggs and like in most turtles. The reproductive maturity of young turtles is delayed.
Despite the Philippine forest turtle's legal protection, endangered species are higher in demand on the domestic and international illegal markets for exotic pets. Anyone who unlawfully keeps a severely endangered species is subject to a 4-year prison sentence under the Republic Act. There have been 23 seizure occurrences reported in the last 16 years involving 4,723 Philippine woodland turtles, many of which happen on the island of Palawan.
Fun facts! The Philippine forest turtle is the locally known as bakoko in the Cuyunon language spoken on the coast of Palawan.
Despite another common name of the species, lady pond turtle, it does not occur on the island of Leyte.
Turtles are thought to have exceptional night vision due to the unusual large number of rod cells in their retinas. They also see in colors. Now you have an idea about Philippine forest turtle,
And I hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like, share,
subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more educational videos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!
Bye!
Tututan, ang mahiwagang Balaenoptera musculus. Blue whale is a marine mammal and a baleen whale, reaching a maximum confirmed length of 29.9 meters and weighing up to 199 tons. It is the largest animal known to have ever existed. The genus name Balaenoptera means winged whale, while the species name Musculus could mean mussel or a diminutive form of mouse. Blue whales live around 80 to 90 years and more. Blue whales produce some of the loudest and lowest frequency vocalizations in the animal kingdom. Western Atlantic is the most common place to find blue whales. Facts about blue whales or Balaenoptera musculus. First is, blue whales can grow more than 100 feet long. They are gigantic, generally ranging in length from 80 to 100 feet or 24 to 30 meters. Next is they can weigh as much as 30 elephants. Next is they have big hearts. The blue whale's heart is huge. It is the largest heart in the animal kingdom, weighing about 400 pounds. Next is they have big tongues too. A blue whale's tongue alone can weigh as much as some elephants. Next is they have the biggest babies on earth. Next is they're unusually loud. Blue whales are the loudest animal on the planet. The blue whale has a sound to go with its huge size. The call of a blue whale is louder than a roaring jet engine. Next is they eat a lot of krill. Blue whales feast on krill. Their stomachs can hold 2,200 pounds of the tiny crustaceans at a time. And lastly is they're unusually fast. They travel a lot, spending summers feeding in polar regions and making the long trip to the equator as the winter comes along.
Go.
Assessed as critically endangered
Shit, mali. Ulitin.
Where it is known locally.
Mali ako.
Ay.